guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been 85 years since I've posted a video on here, but only because I've had some like really crazy things like happen. Like I've just been so busy. Both of them are like 10 minutes away from me. So, and then the Joann's is probably like 25 minutes away from me. So I just don't shop at Joann's that often. So when I do, I kind of, you know, go a little ham. So yeah, so I really didn't get that much stuff. Just, you know, a big bag. But there were some really cool, one of the things that I got on clearance, and I thought it was like really good. So I, showing it in case you guys have a Joann's near you and you can pick it up, because I think it's beautiful. But we'll start with some stuff. Well, I guess we'll start with where I was. So, a few months ago, my boyfriend and I bought a house, and ever since then, we've just been moving in. We're finally now in a place where we're like settled. We still don't have all the furniture, but that's okay. It's okay. It's fine. It's not a big deal. And we have most of our furniture, so that's all that matters. We have like our living room upstairs. This is, like, I don't know if this is where I'm going to be filming, but this is where I'm filming today, so yeah. Then we have like our upstairs furniture, so like our bedroom and things like that. And we did my closet. We redid it, and it's beautiful. It's so beautiful. I'm probably gonna post some photos about it and like maybe make a blog post about I don't know, like a blog post about like how I organized it, because it's honestly my favorite thing in our house right now is my closet. So we'll get into the haul. So the first thing that I really went there for was their Wool and the Gang collection that's at Joann's. So I really, like, I love Wool and the Gang. I think they have some really great yarns. But sometimes I don't always think to shop on, that's not true, I'm always shopping online. But sometimes I don't think to buy their yarn online because I don't really know what it's gonna feel like. So unless I've tried it before, then I probably won't buy it online. Unless I see like a review or someone on Instagram that posted something about it. For the most part, I stick to like the cotton and their fabric yarn, which are the two that I've tried from there. Maybe I've had some other. I don't remember, but whatever I've tried from there, I like. So I'm pretty sure that it would be good, but regardless. So I stopped into Joann's and I went straight to the yarns, as I always do. And I went straight to where they have Wool and the Gang, and I saw this and immediately caught my eye. It's like a very chunky yarn, and it's 89% acrylic and 11% polyamide. And this color is so unique that I had to pick up two, because I didn't really know what I was going to make with it. I still don't really know. I'm going to use a little bit for a tutorial that I have planned, just for like the video part of it, but oh my gosh, like this is it's very soft. It's very soft, and it's like a little frayed, but like the right type of fray, you know what I'm saying? Like it like looks like it's supposed to be this way, not like it's frayed over time. So I'm very excited for this. And I got the Lilac Haze. That's a really good name for it because it's just like a very cool toned, it looks like a cloudy purple. And I just love it. I love it. So I got two of these. I realized that I actually didn't get that much at all besides. So then I picked up this Premier Yarns, which I believe Premier Yarns is like Joann's yarns. Or that's where you can find it, because I'm pretty sure Premier is not sold at Michael's. Pretty sure. But this is the Deborah Norville Everyday Baby yarn, and the reason that I got the baby yarn in this like pinkish, grayish, striped color is because my sister just gave birth to my newest niece, and I wanted to make something for the baby. So yeah, in a couple weeks I will be going to stay and help out with my sister in New York and the baby and my other nieces and nephews. Just help the whole crew out. So I'm really excited, and I wanted to make something for our baby because my twin niece and nephew, I made them a bunch of stuff over the years, but when they were first born, I made them booties, a hat, and like little jackets, and I think it's only fair that she gets the same. The next thing that I bought, I kind of went a little crazy with because it was on clearance. I'm going to show it to you. It's this yarn, and it was on clearance, and this, makes so much sense. Wait, really? Okay, so I'm an idiot. That's what. Okay. So this yarn is on clearance, but I thought it was on clearance for $1.47. It's on clearance for $7.47. And I must not have noticed when I paid, because I had a bunch of coupons from Joann's too, so it took the price down too. But that's funny because I bought 8 of these because I thought they were $1.47. Okay, I still think it's a really good deal. Because I'm such an idiot. Alright. So I got this Buttercream Luxe Craft glossy yarn, and it's a jumbo yarn. There's actually a good amount of yarn in here, so there are 57 yards. 140 grams, 57 yards. And it's 50% acrylic and 50% nylon. And I got this yarn because it's like a metallic jumbo yarn, and it just looks really nice, and it I don't know if you can see it. I'll put some close-ups in, but it actually shines with the light, and I don't see a lot of yarns like that in this size, which is why I grabbed it. And then when I thought the price was $1.47, I grabbed six. So they're not $1.47, but jumbo yarn is pretty expensive, and you do get a lot in here, so I would still suggest it. But if you do find it for $1.47, then you should get 30 of them. So they had this color, they had a darker gray, and they had gold. I opted for the silver because unknowingly to me, everything in my house is silver. So I thought whatever I decide to make with it, it'll at least match my house. I don't know if I'm gonna make something to wear. I was originally thinking that, like a big chunky sweater, but now I'm not so sure. Or like a blanket or something, because I have enough for a blanket, that's for sure, but I'm not sure. I don't know how this would work as a blanket, and it's we'll see. I feel really dumb because I legitimately thought it was $1.47, and I thought I was getting such a good deal. I wonder how much these cost. These retail for $10. I got it for $7.47. It is actually a good deal because if you were to buy this online, they're not on sale online. Like the exact color that I have is $9.99 online, and I got it for $7.47. So I actually did get a good deal, and on top of it, I had a coupon, so I'm not upset. So I'm gonna tell myself I'm not upset. I know this video is probably not that fun. I don't know what else to do right now, but I thought this would be a good, is it echoing? It doesn't make sense because the whole room is carpet, so I would echo. I don't know. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I promise that my videos will be a lot more interesting in the future. I guess I can't promise that, but I will at least try for that to happen. Anyway, I will see you guys in my next video, and bye! And now that